Most travelers get mobile connectivity wrong. They either overpay for roaming or struggle to find a reliable local SIM. Today, I'm sharing my experience testing the best eSIMs for Costa Rica so you can stay connected without headaches. Costa Rica has multiple eSIM providers, but coverage, data speed, and pricing vary. I tested 4 popular options: Airlo, Holafly, Nomad, and GigSky. Most people get this wrong by assuming all eSIMs work equally well. They don't. Airlo offers affordable data packages with good coverage in cities and tourist areas. Installation is simple through the app, and setup takes just a few minutes. Holafly is more expensive, but includes unlimited WhatsApp and support in English and Spanish, which is convenient for travelers. Nomad provides flexible short-term plans, while GigSky excels for multiple country travelers, though speeds can be inconsistent in rural areas. In my experience, Airlo was the best balance of cost, speed, and coverage for Costa Rica. It worked in San Jose, Manuel Antonio, and even Monteverde, which is often a dead zone for cheap SIMs. Most people get this wrong by choosing the cheapest SIM without checking rural coverage. They end up without signal when they need it most. Installing an eSIM is straightforward. You scan a QR code, select the profile, and enable it. There's no physical SIM swap, so switching networks is hassle-free. Most travelers get this wrong by assuming physical SIMs are mandatory. eSIMs are the future for convenience. In conclusion, if you want reliable Costa Rican connectivity at a reasonable price, Airlo's eSIM wins. Most people get this wrong by ignoring coverage maps and real-world tests. I'll save money and stress by picking the right provider. Subscribe for more travel and tech tips so your trips go smoothly without connectivity issues.